If you're over 50, staying active isn't just about looking good. It's about protecting your independence, your energy, and even your memory. The truth is, after age 50, our muscles naturally lose strength, our bones begin to thin, and balance becomes harder to maintain. But here's the good news. Research shows that just a few simple, low-impact exercises can slow and even reverse many of these changes. In today's video, I'll share 5 gentle, science-backed exercises you can do every day, right at home, no equipment needed. By the end, you will have a 10-minute routine that strengthens your body, sharpens your mind, and keeps you moving with confidence. Why exercise matters after 50. Before we jump into the exercises, let's talk quickly about why they're so important. According to the National Institute on Aging, regular physical activity reduces the risk of heart disease, diabetes, osteoporosis, and even depression in older adults. A landmark study published in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity found that adults who exercise regularly after 50 were 40% less likely to experience functional decline. Put simply, exercise is your best anti-aging medicine. And the good news? You don't need a gym membership or intense workouts. Just these 5 gentle movements can keep your muscles strong, your bones healthy, and your balance steady. Exercise 1. Chair squats. Let's start with chair squats. This simple move strengthens your thighs, hips, and glutes, the muscles that keep you steady when you walk or climb stairs. Research in the American Journal of Medicine shows that leg strength is directly linked to longevity. Stronger legs mean better mobility and lower risk of falls. How to do it? Sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Cross your arms over your chest or keep them straight out. Slowly stand up, then gently lower yourself back down. Try 10 repetitions. If that's easy, don't sit all the way down. Hover just above the chair to build more strength. Exercise 2. Heel-to-toe walk. Next is the heel-to-toe walk, excellent for improving balance and coordination. Balance declines naturally with age, but you can train it. A study from the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy found that balance training reduced fall risk by over 30% in older adults. How to do it? Stand tall and place the heel of your right foot directly in front of your left toes. Step forward slowly, heel to toe, like you're walking on a tightrope. Take 10 steps forward, turn around, and repeat. If needed, use a wall or counter for light support until your balance improves. Exercise 3. Seated knee extensions. For exercise 3, we'll protect your knees and joints with seated knee extensions. This strengthens the quadriceps, muscles crucial for standing, climbing, and even preventing knee pain. A clinical review in Arthritis K and research highlights that targeted quadriceps exercises reduce knee pain in older adults with arthritis. How to do it? Sit tall in a chair. Slowly extend your right leg out until it's straight, tightening your thigh muscle. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower. Repeat 10 times per leg. To make it harder, loop a resistance band around your ankle, but body weight is enough to start. Exercise 4. Wall push UPS. Now, let's build up a body strength with wall push-ups. This move works your chest, arms, and shoulders, helping with daily tasks like carrying groceries or lifting grandchildren. A 2019 study published in JAMA Network Open found that older adults with greater upper body strength had significantly lower risks of cardiovascular disease. How to do it? Stand facing a wall, arms extended, palms flat against the surface. Bend your elbows and lean your chest toward the wall, then push back to starting position. Keep your core engaged to protect your lower back. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions. Adjust your distance from the wall to make it easier or harder. Exercise 5. Standing calf raises. Our final exercise is standing calf raises. Simple but powerful. Strong calves improve walking endurance and reduce the risk of falls. According to the Journal of Applied Physiology, calf muscle strength directly influences mobility speed in older adults. How to do it? Stand with feet hip-width apart. Slowly rise onto your toes. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower. Repeat 10 to 15 times. For support, lightly hold onto a chair or counter. Over time, Try it without holding on to improve balance. Putting it all together. That's it. 5 gentle exercises you can do daily in under 10 minutes. Let's recap. Chair squats for lower body strength. Heel-to-toe walk for balance. Seated knee extensions for joint support. Wall push-ups for upper body strength. Standing calf raises for mobility. Start small, even just 5 representatives each, and build up as you get stronger. Consistency matters more than intensity. Remember, exercise after 50 is not about pushing your limits. It's about protecting your independence and living life fully. If you found this routine helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who could benefit. I'll be sharing more science-backed tips for staying healthy, strong, and confident after 50. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And tell me in the comments, which exercise do you want me to break down in more detail next? Until next time, stay strong, stay active, and keep moving forward.